Hey everyone, welcome back to my class, and I hope you are learning it properly, whatever I'm teaching in the videos. And I hope this time we're going to learn about division. And I hope if you have any problem in division, then I will try to remove that problem. Okay, so let's see that one. So I will try to start from the beginning. Conceptual divide means this is for lower classes, for those who don't know totally about divide. If you have zero information about divide, if you're studying in a class but you don't know about divide, so let's see that one first. So let's suppose I'm going to divide some number. Okay, let me start with a very small number so that you can understand it properly. 8 divided by any number. Let me give some number like 2. Okay, now this 2 divide is very easy. Why I said easy? This is for those who are literally don't know about this thing. Okay, so 2, if you have seen this one, always remember the thing is that very easy. But if you have any problem in this one, then please comment down so that I can know. This is multiply. I hope you are aware about it. 4, 2 3 6, and 2 4 8. Like this, 2 5 10, and many more like this up to 2 10. This is 0. Okay, now you see 2 is there and 8. At what times 8 comes? Actually, divide means you can say plus only. Why I said plus? Okay, I will tell you about that one. Now here 8 is there. You can see it properly. Now can you see here this side? 8 is here, isn't it? But 2 4s are. At what times? 2 4s are. 2 4s are how much? 8. And we minus this one, and we got remainder 0. Okay, let me tell you about this one. This is called what? Divisor. What is this? Divisor? No, sorry, this is not a divisor. I was just lying. This is just a quotient. And this is called divisor. SOR. And this is called dividend. And this is called remainder. Remainder in short I can say bacha hua. Okay, this is called remainder. This is quotient, divisor, dividend, and remainder. Am I making it clearly? Means can you understand it properly? That this is quotient, this is divisor, and this is remainder, and this is dividend. Okay. One more very important thing I'll tell you here. What is that? You see, we are learning about no more fear. If you want to study and these things are stopping you to do some maths, that whenever you sit to do mathematics, then in one step you need to divide and you don't know about divide, then you do nothing, you just left that one, and then ultimately you will say in your brain that I don't know maths, this is very tough. But it's not like this. Okay, let me show you a dividend. See, I'm going to give you a one thing. You see, can you see this is 8, isn't it? So remember, if you multiply this 2 into 4, 2 into 4, and downside, whatever thing will be, plus 0. This will give the same answer. So, what is the formula then? Means we can write some kind of formula. This is called dividend, and this is called divisor into, and this is your quotient, and plus remainder. So this is the thing. Okay, this is just a conceptual video. I'm trying to help you see. If the whatever number will be there, if you multiply the divisor and quotient and add this one, you will get as a same. Means you will get dividend and this side is same. You can verify your answer by doing this. Means you can know the thing, the whether you have done some divide correctly or there is some mistake. You can try like this. Okay, am I clear to you? If I'm clear to you, then okay, I'm moving to the next. Let me show you some bigger number. Let's take some bigger number so that you will say that I took already a small number. So let me take a bigger number. Okay, so that bigger number, let me clear this one. Okay, let me take a bigger number. Let's take 2065. Okay, and then 61. But before I took this one, let me try some other forms. Let me take, there is 9 and I'm going to divide with the 2. Okay, I have to think like you don't know anything so that I can teach you properly. 2 by 9. Okay, so if I write the table, 2 1s are 2, I can just write 4 6 8 and then 10 and 12. This is the table. I hope you can see this one, and this is your 2 season. Just writing. But can you see it here? Can you see this one? There is 9, but in 2 table 9 is not there. But 9 lies between 8 and 10. Okay, 8 and 10. So what we're going to take is we'll go for the lower number, means this side. Okay, so there is 8. So we will write here 8. But how many times it's coming? It's a 4. Okay, so we'll write 4. We'll minus it and 1. You see, now we got quotient, I'm writing in short, is equal to 4 and remainder is equal to 1. Can you understand? Now, this is the simple thing. Whether you divide with any number, if there is remainder 0, then we will say exactly divided, means there is nothing left. But this is not called exactly divided because remainder 1 is there. Okay, and I hope I'm able to make this clear to you. You can try whatever number, you just write randomly and then you can check in calculator whether you have done correctly or not. So you can just take some like any number. If there is 15, let me take 15. So you see, we'll see this first one is there 1. Of course 3 is not divisible to 1, so we'll take this 2 number. So 3 5s are 15, we know, isn't it? And minus it and remainder will be 0. So here the quotient is 5 and remainder is equal to 0. Okay, let's try the bigger number. That one just let me try this bigger number. Okay, let me draw before that. Okay, just see this one. Now here, you see, is 2 is divisible by 61? No, because 61 is 2 bigger. Is 20 is divisible by 61? No, because in 61 table, 61 1 is 61, isn't it? So starting 1 is your 61. So let me see this 83. Means, sorry, not 83. This will be like 206. Okay, and this will see the third number. Okay, 1 2 3. Now of course 20 is not in the 60, but of course 206 will be there in your, means not exactly, but some number will be there more than, because 161 1s are 61, isn't it? You can get like 161 into 2s are like this, 161 into 3s are, so you can just write like this, 202 and 12 63, this is 3 and 6 18, you see. And if I want to know about 6 into 4 4 and 6 are 24. Now you can see 206 is there, isn't it? So 206 is a big number, of course, but that lies between these two, 183 and 244, because less than 244, isn't it? So we will go for the lower one, 183, and we'll write upside 3. We'll minus it as usual. We minus 6 minus 3 is your 3, and then this will 0 minus 0 cannot minus, so it will take 1. So it will be 10. 10 minus 8 is your 2, and 1 minus 1 will be same. So here will be nothing, and 5 will come from upside. Now you can see 244 is the 4th. Again, we'll have to go with the 3 table. So this is your 3. So if you minus 5 minus 3 is your 2, and it will take 1. 13 minus 8, and this will be 5. Okay. Now, is this understandable? Now, when to stop dividing? You can see here 61 and here 52. ये अब डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि अब 61 टेबल 61 से ही स्टार्ट होगा, उससे तो बड़ा होना चाहिए ना, नीचे में कैसे टेबल होगा? हम पॉइंट में कर सकते हैं, we will take a point and then we can go ahead, but I'm not teaching you the point right now. I'm just giving you this thing. Am I clear to you? Okay, I hope this is clear for you. So let's see the another one. Now let's talk about this one. Like, if I divide 5 minus 0, 5 minus 0 is not defined. Okay, remember this one. Why I said it's not defined? Because 0 means nothing. Nothing cannot divide something, isn't it? But you see, a whole number can be divided. Suppose I have 0 and I'm trying to divide with 2. That will be 0. Because 2, let me give you some example. 2 persons are there and some chocolates are there, but there is 0 chocolate. So both the people will get 0 chocolate only, isn't it? So this, I hope maybe you can understand this one. So let's see the another example on this topic. So what is the another topic? Okay, let me teach you about the point system. Point divide 0.3, okay, and divided by 0.27. Now here, we'll not see this point. Okay, we'll try to divide like this, same as it is. 3 9s are 27, isn't it? So I'm going to write 9 and I'm going to write 27.27, and then remainder is 0. Now, how much you should write here? After the point here or here, you can see after the point only there is one number, isn't it? So I'm going to give 0.9, because if you multiply 2 points, you'll be getting like 2 3 to 9 6. You see, after the point how many numbers are there? 1, and after the point 2, total 2. So we can just write 5.29, same as it is. We are dividing here, we got how much? 0. Now I don't want to make it longer so that it will be easier for you, and of course I'm going to bring another video on division where we're going to learn some shortcut trick how you can divide it in a very efficient time. Means you will take less time and you can easily divide those things. You will love that one, of course. as I always says, then I work on the smartness, work on that one, don't go for the long way. Okay, so till then, keep learning and keep dividing more numbers. You just try by yourself. You see, now you are in higher class. This is not for the class 1 and 2. Okay, I'm giving this thing for the higher class students, those who totally don't know about divide. Those who are in class 5 6 7 or 8 9 10, suppose if they don't know, then you can see this one and you can learn. It's a very basic and easy one. Okay, till then, okay, you try by yourself. Just randomly you write any number. For example, let's suppose 0.64. If I divide with the 0.8, so what will be the, you see 8 is how much? 64.64. So if I say this is 0.8, so there will be also how much is a point 8. Am I clear to you? So, because 8 is 64, after the point 2 numbers, 1 number and 1 number. So there will be, after the point, you see total 2 numbers are there, 0. So you just write by yourself and then try, okay? So till now, then thank you so much for watching up to here and see you soon in the next video.